Boodskappe van hoop en baie van hulle. Die groep Al-Anon, wat steun verleen aan probleemdrinkers en die mense na aan hulle, het die uitstalling by die Willowbridge winkelsentrum in Durban wil laat oprig. Die beeldhouwerk bestaan uit honderde glasbottels gevul met boodskappe van hoop, geskryf deur lede van die organisasie. Die burger wou meer oor die uitstalling uitvind en een lid van Al-Anon was bereid om met ons te gesels, op voorwaarde dat sy anoniem bly.
Okay, my name's Janice and I am a very grateful member of a fellowship called Al-Anon. We've created the Hope Sculpture with the means of doing outreach in the public, also to celebrate our 60 years of being, many messages, and they are all sincere because none of us are qualified. The only qualifications that the people that wrote those messages is that their lives had been affected by alcoholism. And alcoholism is a family disease. It is also a community disease. So when one person has the disease, so many others are affected by it. Directly, the loved ones, that are close to the person with the problem, and then that person's colleagues is affected by it, the community become affected by it. So we need not be alone. There is help out there, and that is the word that Al-Anon wants to bring out to the public.